What's up, everyone? I was gifted this pet grooming kit and vacuum to review, so I'm gonna unbox it and test it out. Here we go. So here is the box. This is the vacuum here, as you can tell, and it comes with some attachments. So let's open it up. So it comes with some guards for the clippers. Looks like 3 of them. Comes with an attachment for the vacuum, another attachment, another attachment, another attachment, and this one connects to the vacuum, but it's actually clippers. User guide. Here's another guard. These are probably lubricants for the clippers. Here's the vacuum. Got the hose. And that's everything. That's cool. It's got a little place for your cord to wrap up and store it. It's got 2 parts here. They look identical. Clicked right in. So just to go over some of these attachments, this is a de-shedding tool, and you can push the hair off by pushing the button. And this is a grooming brush. You push the button and the hair will come off and then get sucked into the vacuum. This is a cleaning brush. This is just a nozzle attachment for the vacuum. This is electric clippers. So this guard here is actually for helping with the suction. So while you're clipping, it can get sucked into here. To use the guards, you're just going to put this on like this, and then clips right in. Pull it off, do that. Put the next one on, same thing. Go like that, and clips on right there. So to attach, you're going to just grab one and it goes on just like this. And then to take it off, you push this button and put the next one on. This container holds 2.3 liters, so very large amount of space for hair. So I'm going to plug it in and just see how loud it is and test out the attachments. And then I'm going to try it on my dog. So it has a button here. This is the power button, and then this is the speed control. It has 3 different speeds. It has silence mode, standard mode, and basically like a boost mode. So let's try it. Yep, I can feel the suction, and that's on the lowest setting. Medium. And boost. And that's working pretty good. Let's try to attach the clippers. The clippers are already on and they're working. Yep. Works really good. So to empty it, you're just gonna put your hand right here. There's a little spot for your fingers. Pull up, opens up like that, and then there's a little clip here, and then you can just empty the hair and then close it. Then you just put it back, same way, just like that. There is a filter here and a filter here as well, as you can see. So it gets all those small particles and dust and stuff. I was really impressed with the performance of this vacuum. It worked really, really well. As you can see, that's less than 5 minutes of using it and just testing it out. I love how easy the attachments come on and off, and it worked really good. As you can see in the video, my dog was very, very calm during the whole thing. Just brushed her real nice. We even used the highest speed. The sound of the vacuum is very, very low compared to a lot of other vacuums out there. I was really happy about that. If you're looking for a vacuum for your pet, I would highly recommend checking this one out. Lots of different options, attachments, and it works really good. Check it out.